Okay, Wednesday morning, February 4th, I wanted to show what I've been working on here. So this is a circuit to be able to sense the voltage on a storage capacitor and then latch the output and then drive a DC buck with it. So essentially what we're doing here is we've got an input section where we have our capacitor power here and then a sense voltage that comes in. So there's a divider network here and a sensor sense voltage here, which is also divided down. So we're dividing down the sense voltage and creating reference voltages, a high and a low limit here, and a buffer network as well, so we don't load down the dividers. We have the sense voltage, high limit and low limit, and LEDs that turn on and off to tell me what's what, and those LEDs are going to drive a SR latch, and so that will be able to tell me where I'm at in the level of the capacitor. And then I'll get some paper here and I'll just show what we're doing. Like this is a latching window comparator. All right, so basically what we have here is the capacitor, and it's going to charge up to a certain voltage, right? And so we've got voltage, right, and time. And so when we're going to set, this is all textbook stuff. You can look this up anywhere. High limit, low limit, right? So what we want to happen is when the capacitor charges up and it hits this high limit, at that point, we want to be latched on, right? Which means we've charged up to the set voltage, which means enable the DC buck, good to go. And then stay on while it discharges. But once we hit the low limit here, latched off. Okay, so then it's off, and then it's going to charge back up again, and it'll just sort of ride in this window, and then you can control that. So that's the whole point of this circuit. And I put those here so I could see, because I'm just kind of learning how this goes. But basically, you're just comparing